Alright, just a quick video to ask if anyone knows what's going on with this CD player. So I'm trying to fix a portable CD player. It's, sorry, I haven't got a tripod right now, so this is going to be a really horrible video. It's a D-EJ000, Sony. And the problem is, when you play a CD, it's distorted for the first 5 or 10 seconds, and then the sound is fine. So let me show you. So play. That sounds horrible. And then eventually it's fine. And it's fine. Let me pause. It will be fine until you then skip track or pause, and then we're back to the distortion scenario. So I find that quite odd. The first thing that pops to mind is that the anti-shock buffer might have something to do with it. Maybe that's the time it's taking to fill the buffer. But I can't see anything wrong with it. I've touched up all of the capacitor joints. I haven't recapped it because I don't actually have these capacitors around, and well, I'm not sure if it's worth fixing, if it's going to be a huge pain. But if anyone has any ideas what that could be, then please leave a comment, because I'd like this to work. Thanks.